Hey guys, this is Sophie from the Shopify team. In today's videos, I have got a super exciting news to share with you guys. Shopify has just rolled out an incredible offer. So now you can sign up for Shopify for a 3-day free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for just $1 per month on select plans. And these plans include Shopify Basic, Shopify Plan, and Shopify Advanced Plan. It's great, right? So let's take a look at the Shopify current pricing plan. Okay, this Shopify plan is only available in the US locations, and the pricing plan may be vary based on your country, so you need to check it out in your current locations before starting. And if you are new to Shopify, then Shopify Basic is just perfect for what you need to get started. It had everything in functions to kick off your store, and the card is right here. And some standard feature maybe vary if you upgrade to higher plan. And if your store is scaling, then higher plan may be a better option because the cost rates increase may significantly impact your revenue. And you can check out the Shopify pricing plan as I included the link in the description below as well. Here you can check the detailed comparisons between Shopify plans and find what's best for you. Okay, so in this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to open your store with this offer. Simply go to the link that I left in the description below because you might not find the link any elsewhere soon, so definitely check it out. Click on Start Free Trial. So here I will sign up with Google. Here is Shopify onboarding dashboards. To get started, you will describe where would you like to sell. It is an online store, in person or at events, social media, in person or in a retail store, existing website blog, or if you want to link your Shopify store with these marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon. If you want to link your Shopify store to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you can choose this option. Okay, choose this option if you are just starting out. And here, you will describe what you want to sell on Shopify. I will try to open this one. But you can decide this later as well. So here you can see that you can choose the Shopify Basic plan. No credit card required for now. I will try Basic. You can also do this later, so don't worry. Okay, so you have successfully signed up to Shopify. So now I recorded this video on November 7th. 3 days after this day, I will need to upgrade to a Shopify pay plan, which is $1 per month. And you can select these options to select a plan. Here you will see that all the Shopify Basic, Shopify, and Advanced plans are in $1. Scrolling down a little bit, you can see the Shopify Starter and Shopify Retail plan in $1 per month as well. And you can cancel your plan anytime during this period. If you want to check the full list of features compared to each other of Shopify, you can click on this button and the result is similar to what you can find in the Shopify pricing plan. And here you can upload your products. You can add your product manually or import it from other platforms. And you can create your collections here, manage your inventory, order, set up your gift card, your discount codes for promotional campaigns. And there are a lot of things that Shopify have built in already, like analytic report, live view. In the marketing tab, you can see there are the campaigns and automations tabs. Here you can create automation workflow for your store. Well, yeah, you need to upgrade to your $1 plan to get started with this. So if you want to set up your storefront and customize how it looks, you can click on this button right here. Okay, in this tab, I have previously generated a look for my store, like modern and basic clothing store. So here is a Shopify new feature using AI. You can just describe how you want your business to look like in just a few words, and Shopify will have you generate a storefront accordingly, and it's totally free. And it will based on your current Shopify themes. I'm using Shopify doll theme, so let's try it again. I would like it to be, what did you say, vintage and aesthetic clothing store, and click on generate themes. Okay, so these options I have previously chose, and you can view the demo here. It looks good, isn't it? And it also have some content here already, some copywriting here already. It's just some inspirations for you as you just get started. You can click on this button to see all the demos. This one looks really impressive. Maybe I will go with this one this time. And you just need to click on try theme. Wait for a little bit. Okay, so you can see two versions of my theme, like this one, Radiant, that I have previously picked, and the Whisper versions that I have just added. You can try multiple times until you find what works best for you. So I will try to customize this one and see how it looks in the editor page. It will give you some inspirations and some examples for you to get started. And I believe that in 3-day free trial, you will definitely can create and set up and make everything in place. And that's it. This is the end of our video today. And I hope that I have given you some inspirations and some ideas to get your store get started and running. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab the latest Shopify free trial. See you in the next video.